Today, I'm going to discuss with you the one of the topic of the company. Their name is issue of shares oversubscribed, rejecting the excess application. That is issue of shares oversubscribed and rejecting the excess applications. You know very well, in that case we have need to understand the sum of the journal entries. Before it I will create the question. One of the companies there, the company invited applicants for 1 lakh shares. That is the invitation company is getting. Now the value of the share is 100 rupees and it is divided or payable in application and allotment. And if something is there and which is required, then balance wheresoever required, like calls, we can speak, that is a calls. In application we have the 30 rupees, in allotment we have the 30 rupees, and the balance when required, and it is on the call. Applications were received on 1,20,000 shares, out of which applications for 1 lakh shares were accepted and remaining applications were refused allotment. But the allotment money was received on 99,500 shares. Means the allotment money received on 99,500 shares. Okay, got it. Now you have need to do the journal entry in one of the company's book. You know very well the blocks. These are the date, then you have the particular, then you have the LF, then you have the debit, and you have the credit. Now the first entry is for the receive, that is bank account DR to share application account, and the value is 1,20,000 shares. You got it, application money, and then it's on the 30 rupees each. Then it's the 12 3 the 36 lakhs being application money received. You will write the narration also, being application money received. Okay, and after that you will close the entry also. Now You will look it. Then you have the due also, that is a share application account DR to share capital account. Your application money is a 36 lakh total. Then your share capital, you got only the invitation for the 1 lakh, then 1 lakh into 30, it's a 30 lakh only. Rest will be the surplus, and then this surplus will be refunded. Then it's previously it was 1,20,000 into 30. Now 1 lakh you accepted, 30 you rejected. Sorry, 20 you rejected. 20 into 30, that is a 6 lakh. Now the narration is what? Being application money due on shares and excess or surplus refunded. Now the third entry is for the allotment, which you know very well, it is 30 rupees. So then your entry will be share allotment account DR to share capital account. 1 lakh multiplied by 30 rupees. Then you have 30 lakhs. Now your narration time, it's very simple. Your allotment money due on 1 lakh shares. Now you got the allotment only by 99,500 shares, since rest 500 is calls in area. So your received is bank account DR to share allotment account, and you got only on 99,500 share. Then 99,500 multiplied by the 30, then it's 29 lakh 85,000. 29 lakh 85,000. And your simple journal after the narration, what you will write? Application money received on 99,500 shares. Now in your brain the question is there, why the remaining money is not recorded, which will be related to the balancing money. So it was written in the question, I told you, balance when required, it's mentioned. Then here only the 30 and 30 is there. Then shares we issued, even it's oversubscribed, then we rejected even the excess application money. Okay, got it? Clear to you? That is your question. Issue of shares related to the oversubscribed, rejecting the excess application. 1 lakh shares you are getting the invitation. It was of the 100 rupees each, and dividation is 30 on application, 30 on allotment, and balance on the call. But application money was received on 1,20,000 shares. 1 lakh shares were accepted and 20,000 shares were rejected. Allotment money the firm received on 99,500 shares only. Then the first entry is for the receive of the application, that is the bank to share application, 1,20,000 into 30, 36 lakh. Now the next is you know very well, that is a due share application to share capital. After that the rest shares which is excess you rejected only. Then 1,20,000 into 30, 36 lakh. Then your 1 lakh into 30, 30 lakh. Then your return is 20,000 into 30. Now the allotment money due, share allotment to share capital, that is a 1 lakh into 30. And then last one is there, it's related to the received bank to share allotment, and it is on the 99,500. And balance when required it's written, now it's not required, then okay, it's a finish. Okay,